5 ways to unwind when the world feels a little too busy. Sometimes life can get so busy that it feels like you don't even have a second to spare for yourself. It is during these moments when you should focus on a little bit of self care to unwind and slow down. It is super easy to become overwhelmed when everything around us going to million miles an hour. But finding the small moments to yourself among the chores is a practice that can be adopted in the simplest of ways. Here are 5 activities you can try when you just need to slow down even for a few minutes. First one, drinking your morning cup of tea or coffee outside. It can be tempting drinking your morning coffee while scrolling through your phone on the dining table. But if the weather permits, why not begin your day outside in your backyard or front porch with some fresh air and sunlight on your skin? There is nothing quite as relaxing as being out in nature and taking in your surroundings before you begin your day and reading your favorite book while you do. So is another great way to unwind before the work begins. Second one, go for a long walk with your friend. Catching up with your friend while getting your daily dose of exercise is a great way to unwind and clear your mind. Going for a walk alone can be just as relaxing as their own right. But sometimes you have a lot of nagging thoughts, and taking it through with your friend can help alleviate your overthinking. And let's not forget the added benefits of those endorphins. Third one, have a hot bath with the relaxing music in the background. Dim the lights, light a candle, throw in some bath salts and play some jazz or lofi beats in the background and feel the stress melt away. Uninterrupted time alone to close your eyes and feel the heat on your skin is guaranteed to leave you feeling refreshed afterward and more equipped to tackle whichever task need your attention later in the day. Fourth one, draw your feelings. You don't need to be an artist to find the drawing therapeutic. Nobody even has to see your work. Buy a scrapbook or grab a blank piece of A4 paper lying around and express yourself. Use highlighters, pens, and pencils. It is very grounding to be able to create, and it will allow you at least half an hour to yourself without the electronics to be in a tone with your creative self. Fifth one, stretch. Stretching is usually something that both precedes and concludes an exercise session. But stretching has many health benefits and can be used to enhance feelings of mindfulness and relaxation. Sit on your bedroom floor and allocate 5 minutes to stretch your muscles whenever you need some time out. Not only stretching over time help to improve your posture, flexibility and blood flow, but during the stretching session you will place more focus on your breathing and the way your body feels in the moment. The world around you will feel a little more quiet and a little more serene. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.